Hello everybody and welcome to the WorldMark Resort here in San Diego, California. We are going to be taking a resort tour of this property. So this is the resort itself. It's a very nice property and I've been here for a couple hours. I actually have stayed here once before, 7 years ago to be exact, back in 2015 in December. So we're going to take a tour of this property. This is the WorldMark by Wyndham. There's the parking garage right there. This resort has underground parking. You actually used to enter this way. The last time I was here, you used to enter this way to get in. So anyway, we're gonna go inside and take a tour of this wonderful property. This is the front desk. We'll start over by the business center. This is the business center. So you got computers right here for business purposes, print boarding passes and other stuff. This is the business center. Convenience store over here. Now we're gonna check out the recreation center. This is the recreation room. There are people in here, so I'm gonna try not to get people on video. They have arcade games here. Claw machines, pinball machine, another claw machine, and basketball. So this is the recreation center. And there's a view outside the window. So here's a quick look at the recreation center. Let's go look at the pool and the fitness center. You walk this way, through here, this is the fitness center, or the exercise room as they call it. And it's open till 11 p.m. This right here is the fitness center. You got weights and everything you need to exercise. Treadmills, ellipticals, I think. I'm not an expert on fitness and everything, so I don't know if that's 100% right, but get some towels for your convenience, cleaner, paper towel, and you got wipes for all the machines and everything. So this is the fitness center. Very nice small center. Now we're gonna go look at the pool. The pool is actually outside and it's right through this door. So this right here, you can see some of the rooms here. Here's the pool. This right here is the pool. Lots of places to sit. That's the pool right there. And you got a spa over there. You also have a door out here that leads to the parking lot, which the Homewood Suites is right next door out here. The entrance to the parking garage is just down that way. So you enter that way and that's where you would go to park. So yeah, this is just another view. It's a gorgeous property. It's a really nice resort. Very, very nice. All right, so we can go back in this way, but it does require your key card. There is also stairs to the parking garage from the outside. I showed it at the beginning of the video. Now we're gonna walk up to the room. So there's just a little bit of amenities. This also leads to the garage. So you take these stairs down, which I guess we could take a look at the parking garage real quick. Then we're going to take a look at the guest laundry, which I believe there's multiple sections in the hotel for guest laundry, so we're only going to look at certain areas. But essentially, this is the parking garage. Pretty self-explanatory. They have security down there as well, which is always good to see at resorts. Got a VIP center right here. That's a staff only area. So now we're gonna walk this way. And for all the elevator fans, yeah, we're gonna take a ride on the elevator real quick. There's 4 in this hotel. And my room is on the 4th floor, so we're gonna go up to the 4th floor. And then I'll show you guys the guest laundry. Take this one. All right, here it is. There's the map. Lots of walking areas, as you can see. Go to the 4th floor. Move out this way. That's the room right there I'm staying in. We'll come back to it though. Guest laundry is just down this way. Guest laundry this way. And right through this door is the guest laundry. So it's a pretty basic configuration. You got washing machines on the bottom and dryers on top. So that's pretty much it. Show this as best I can. Everything is kind of reflective around here. So. All right, and there you guys have it. Now we will take a look at the room. And the room tour was filmed in a different part of the day when it was brighter outside. Because as I do for most of my resort hotel tours, the room tour comes first, which I do before I do the rest of the tour, just because it makes it easier. So that way I can film the room in its current status before I inhabit into it. So I'm staying in room 431, so let's take a look at the room. All right, and now we're gonna take a look at the room. We're staying in room 431 here at the WorldMark. All right, close up the door. It's got one of those automatic dead bolts. Now, before I show everything, let me just get my card back in my pocket. Let's start with the closet here. We're gonna start and work our way out there. Basic closet, got a little vacuum machine. That's one of those manual ones. Got the light to the bathroom. There's the toilet. A big mirror right there. And this is the tub and the shower. Very nice. And you know what? There you go. You guys can see it run real quick. And now, into the kitchen. This is the kitchen. As you guys can see, get some light on in here. This is the kitchen. It's very nice. Here it is. It's a very nice kitchen. Got a couple places to sit. You also have a TV right there. You're in this little living room space. Let's take a look now out the balcony. This is a look out here. As you guys can see, it's very scenic. Right by a hill here in outside this resort. It's very nice though. This is definitely a nice resort. It's definitely gonna be a lot cooler here than the last time I was here. And actually, yes, I have stayed at this resort. I stayed here 7 years ago, back in 2015. There's the air conditioning and heating unit. Again, there's your flat screen TV. Now we're gonna take a look at room number 1. So this room has twin size beds. Turn the light on. You also got a fan, which will turn the power on. So you got 2 beds here. These are twin size beds. This will be my room. Got a TV in here as well, a mirror, and thermostat. This right here is the closet, which I'll definitely be using to hang up some stuff. Very nice. All right, we'll close it up. So there's the closet. Very, very nice. All right, now we'll go this way into the master bedroom. This is a king size bed. This will be where my parents are gonna sleep. Very, very nice. Another TV. There's 3 TVs in this room. Another climate control unit right here. A little bit of a view out there. Very nice. Behind this door, we have another closet, and I believe there is a safe. Guess what? I'm wrong. There is no safe. So this is just like my other closet in the other room. We'll go take a look at the master bathroom. There's another closet. Maybe there's a safe in there. We'll take a look in a second. I gotta find the light switch. There it is. Here is the bathroom. There's the mirror. There's a picture right there. There's the toilet. You got your tub and your shower. And once again, we'll run the water. There you go. A little bit of water. There's the sink. Got a fan as well. Ah, we're out of focus. There we go. So yeah, this is the master bathroom. Very nice. And then this is the closet right here. So yeah, that's the room. So thank you guys for watching this hotel tour. That will be it.